All right, welcome to today's training topic, how to create good ads for your store. And let's make sure we pin the comment. All right, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to create good ads for your store to sell physical products. And I'm seeing a lot of people, people that are starting out creating ads that are not catchy or not engaging, and I'm gonna help you fix that. Yo, what's up, Mr. Murtada, Gabriel? Right, so here's the thing. It doesn't matter if you're selling physical products or digital or services, your ad has to be catchy. If your ad is really bad, it doesn't matter how good your sales funnel is, doesn't matter how good your offer is. It's not gonna get a lot of people to click on it and go take an action, right? So the ad you have to think about it really as the thing that attracts people to your sales funnel or people to your sales process. Your sales funnel could be made with ClickFunnels, or your sales process could be made with, through a Shopify store. That's the sales process. When they come to the product page, go to the checkout page, then complete the checkout, and then receive an email. Like, that's the sales process. If you're doing an individual sales funnel, that's done through ClickFunnels. But really, the ad is just a thing that gets a person to make the initial click, to click on your ad, but not only that, get information so that they are pre-educated about what they will receive next in your sales process or in your sales funnel, right? So the purpose of the ad is not so much to sell, right? Yes and no. If your sales process is good, it's going to help you with the selling. But the ad, it has to get attention fast, and it has to get the click. So I'm going to tell you some of the best practices that you can apply. Okay, so let's talk about ads specifically for e-commerce, right? That's the topic of this video. One thing that I see with a lot of people is that, their ads are very boring, right? You might have, maybe you're selling this hat, right? And what a lot of people are doing is that they are taking this hat and just with a white background and just posting it on Facebook. And if you create an ad that simply has like a white background and it's very boring, then people will not click on it. It doesn't look cool. Even if the quality is good, even if the design is good, people are not going to click on it because it doesn't get their attention, right? It's as simple as that. The ad needs to get attention. There's a crazy dog over there. And now, on the other hand, if I go into a video like this, or I make this a photo, this video, and I'm wearing the cap, right, and I'm saying how cool it is, and I have like a background, it's like in real life, a real life scenario, then it's 10 times more powerful because I'm showing you how the product looks in real life, okay? If I just show you a product with a white background, it looks kind of boring. Do you agree? And that's kind of like what I call lifestyle ads. So it's when you show a product using it in a real life scenario. So for instance, if I'm gonna sell this cup, instead of showing you this cup with a white background that's so boring and it's like blurry, I'm gonna show you this. I'm gonna make an ad like this: me wearing the product in a nice background in a nice place. Okay, 10 times more powerful. That's for images, right? For image ads. Now, if you're going to do a video ad, then same thing. I think the most powerful types of ads are simply ads where people are using or wearing the product, right? It could be a kitchen. If you're going to sell a kitchen gadget, you don't want to show just a boring photo because the product has a function. It has to show people what it does. So if you just show a boring photo, then no one's going to buy it. But if you show a video where someone is using the kitchen gadget and fixing a problem and it's all cool and engaging, and then obviously people buy it. So you have to understand that if the ad is boring, it doesn't show any emotions, it's not going to get the click and it's not going to get the sale. Because the ad, the purpose of the ad is not so much to sell the product, but it's to get people excited about the product. If you have a nice sales page, that's going to keep selling the product even more. But if people don't like the product in the ad, then why would they go to your product page, right, or sales page? So, okay, little tips over here, just practical stuff. If you're using images, make sure that the images look clean, HD, crisp. Make sure they're colorful. For me, colorful ads are the most powerful types of ads. and make sure that they are lifestyle style, right? Where someone is wearing the product in a real life scenario and just using it so that the person that is going to buy it imagines themselves in that moment, right, using the product. If you're using video ads, show someone using the product in a nice environment, nice music, fast paced, don't make it boring. People don't have time to get bored. People want to move fast. People want to see stuff fast in the newsfeed. Don't make it boring. Now the ad copy, text of the ad, just keep it short. You don't have to, for e-commerce, you don't have to make a super long ad copy, right? You can make a very simple text, very simple ad copy describing the product or the lifestyle. We had a product that it was like, show your passion for the beach or the good vibes by wearing these awesome sandals, right? It's that simple. You don't have to go and make like a super long ad copy, at least for e-commerce, no? So that's that. Okay, shoot questions. I'm going to answer some questions here. Questions. Questions about ads. Okay, we have a first question from Fran. For carousel ads, is it better with white background or lifestyle? Honestly, man, like, here's the different scenarios where I use white background versus lifestyle. White background, I like to use it when people are inside the store, like in the product page, right? That they can see, like Amazon style. You go to Amazon, everything is white. It's really nice. But that's inside the store. The lifestyle image, it's for the ad. Or the lifestyle video is for the ad, right? You could also have the lifestyle image inside the product page, but what I would do is I would have the white background images on the store so that when people go to a collection, everything is white and clean. At least that's how I like to do it. I mean, it's not a rule of thumb, but Pablo asks, hello man, what about the thumbnail? How important do you think they are? I think it's very, very important. I think it needs to get the click. I think it needs to catch people's attention, get people's attention. I wouldn't hype it up. Like I wouldn't put like a bunch of arrows and, borders, green highlighted borders, stuff like that. Keep it simple, make it engaging. Mahdimiad asks if CPO is equal 16, can I kill the ad? Dude, you have to make your numbers. There's no specific numbers. I mean, you have to figure out how much you can afford to spend on ads to still be profitable, and that's called your max cost per purchase. You have to figure out, okay, if the most I can spend is $10 on ads to get a purchase, if I spend 12, I'm not making money, right? So you pause it. Okay, CBO works well. Yes. CBO works really well. I made a test yesterday. It was working out better for me than normal ads. But I would test both. The answer is test. Facebook ads are getting expensive. Yes, but that doesn't mean you cannot make it work. Right? A lot of people are freaking out about that, but you just got to improve your sales process. You got to adapt. I mean, obviously it's going to get more expensive like Google. It was freaking cheap 10 years ago. Now it's super expensive. But people still make money from it, right? How would you do a lifestyle ad for a skincare product? Skin is tricky, man. Facebook doesn't like skincare. But, I mean, obviously it can be done because there's stores like Boom by Cindy Joseph that are killing it. So, I mean, honestly, man, like, I would, instead of just showing the cream, people don't care about the cream. People care about the result that the cream will create, okay? So instead of showing, like, the cream, show, what people are saying about the cream, the testimonials, show, like, the experience, how it feels. And I would actually use videos for that instead of images. All right, guys, that's basically it. That's it for this live training. Guys, there should be a button here so that you are notified when I go live. Just click on that button, turn on notifications. So you can go to my profile, right? Go to my profile. They're like in the board, in the corner. I don't know in which part. You can turn on notifications because I'm going live every single day. I'm creating these trainings for free, right? And believe it or not, this is very, very powerful because I mean we don't charge less than $5,000 for our consulting. So it's very powerful that you're here because I'm going to be sharing everything that you need to know. What's up, Harry? Right, guys, and for those of you, oh, there we go. We have a Monica, welcome. All right, for those of you, of course, that need one-on-one help, I'm always going to tell you this, right? And some of you might be saying, oh, you want to sell us or whatever. But I'm talking to those of you that believe in, in guidance, right? I do believe in guidance. I do believe in investing in myself. I do it all the time. And just yesterday, I bought like it was not super expensive, but I bought like a mini course from a guy because I really wanted to learn a strategy he was doing very successfully, so I paid for that. But anyways, my point is, for those of you that do believe in mentorship and guidance and want my team and I to guide you on a daily basis every single day for 3 months, right? You wake up, you can reach out to us any single time, showing us your ads, showing us your products, showing us your numbers, and get instant advice. Then just go to my profile and click on the link, watch the video that I have there, is the sandals case study, and then schedule a call with us, right? We have limited spots for this, but for those of you that do believe in investing in yourself, need the guidance, imagine just waking up, seeing your ads, not understanding something, taking out your phone, tapping a button, reaching out to a coach that has experience and can help you solve your problem. So if you're interested in that, go to my profile, click on the link, watch the video, the case study, which is free, and then schedule a call with us. It's going to help you a lot. Right, guys, that's basically it. Thanks for being here, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.